Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Taskbar settings so you can change size controls immediately. Right-click an empty part of the taskbar and choose Settings. This takes you straight to the right panel. Once done, make sure you have administrative access because some corporate or child accounts lock UI changes. If Settings opens to a different page, click Taskbar on the left to focus the options. This gets you to the precise controls without navigating through multiple menus. You now change the visible elements and button size so the taskbar becomes smaller. Toggle use small taskbar buttons to immediately shrink icon size and reduce height. This is the primary size change. Next, set combine taskbar buttons to combine or hide labels, which reduces width usage. Then remove optional buttons like People, Search, and Cortana to free horizontal space. As you adjust, watch the taskbar in real time so you understand how each option affects layout and spacing. You finish by locking the taskbar and verifying changes to prevent accidental resizing. Turn on Lock the taskbar after arranging icons. This preserves your new, smaller layout. If settings don't take effect, restart Windows Explorer via Task Manager or sign out and sign back in to apply UI updates. If options remain disabled, make sure local group policy or registry restrictions aren't enforcing defaults. Contacting your admin may be necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.